What's the meaning of crash barrier? Crash barrier. Crash barrier.
Crash barrier. Crash barrier. A crash barrier, also known as a guardrail or safety barrier, is a type of barrier designed to prevent vehicles from leaving the roadway and colliding with obstacles or other vehicles. It works by absorbing the energy of an impacting vehicle and redirecting it away from the roadway. Crash barriers are commonly used on highways, bridges, and other types of roadways, and are typically made of steel or concrete. Effective crash barriers can reduce the severity of accidents and save lives by preventing vehicles from crossing over into oncoming traffic, off-road hazards, or other dangerous areas.